When was the last time you've had a sloppy joe? For us, it's been a really long time. They say it's an oldie but a goodie, but I think it's a classic. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is brown our ground beef. A lot of people call this a chop and mix. Since it's plastic, I can use it on this kind of pan. It's similar to an old-fashioned potato masher. I'm going to go ahead and add salt and pepper. All right, I'm going to move it to one side and collect the grease. Going to add green bell pepper. And an onion. I'm using yellow, but it doesn't matter, whatever onion is your favorite. I'm going to add mustard. Got ketchup. I'm going to go ahead and mix this. Got brown sugar. And garlic powder. Okay, gonna let it simmer for a little while and let all those seasonings meld together. All right, I'm gonna take our buns, which they're slider buns, but whatever size you choose, that's fine. There's certainly bigger ones. I'm gonna butter them just lightly. I'm gonna put them on the pan to toast them. I buttered both sides of our buns, and I'm going to toast them, and I'll just add a little bit extra to our flavor. Now we're going to try sloppy joes.
This reminds me of high school. I got to pack my lunch every day from high school, but once a week my mom and dad would let me buy something, and sloppy joes is something I discovered in high school. When we were making this, Brigita had me taste the meat, and it needed a little something, and we added some cinnamon and some nutmeg to the flavor profile, and it really gave it a nice flavor.
That is good. And it will be reflected in the recipe, which of course will be in the description box.
All right, ready to dig in? Very nice.
Yeah, like I said, we're using sliders, but you can use any size buns. Okay. Oh, that's mighty fine.
Definitely better than high school. Nice. Oh, I like that.
I like that. That's really good. I think when I used to have sloppy joes, I would put a slice of cheese inside. That's an option. Pickles.
You had pickles around here somewhere earlier.
You could have pickle in it. Maybe coleslaw, even.
Well,
we don't eat coleslaw, or much of it anyway.
Delicious.
But I think this is great.
I've been looking forward to this for the past 2 days since Brigita said she was going to make them. I have not had a sloppy joe in a very long time.
I couldn't tell you how long it's been.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Delicious.
I'm glad you liked it.
You guys should make this.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
This is good.
Oh, and toasting the buns. Oh, good.